Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about weekly meal prep made easy. 5 healthy recipes to keep your week running smoothly. Are you feeling the pressure of planning nutritious meals during a busy week? Are grocery shopping and cooking leaving you stressed and with little time to enjoy your delicious meals? If you're nodding along, then this video is just for you. Meal prepping can be a game changer when it comes to staying on track with your health goals. By dedicating some time each week to preparing your meals in advance, you can save yourself from the stress of figuring out what to eat every day and ensure that you always have a nutritious meal ready to go. But let's face it, the word meal prep can sound a bit daunting. The thought of spending hours in the kitchen chopping vegetables and cooking proteins can be enough to make anyone's head spin. Plus, who has time to clean up after all that cooking? That's where our time-saving tips come in. We've got some tricks up our sleeves that will help you meal prep like a pro without spending more than 30 minutes in the kitchen. And don't worry, we won't leave you hanging. We'll walk you through each step of the process and provide helpful tips and substitutions along the way. So grab your apron and get ready to meal prep like a boss. With these simple tricks, you'll be whipping up healthy meals in no time. Let us kick off this meal prep session with a breakfast that is not only delicious, but also packed with protein and fiber to keep you full until lunch. Overnight oats are a fantastic option because they require zero cooking and can be prepped in just 5 minutes. In a bowl, combine rolled oats, chia seeds, Greek yogurt, milk, vanilla extract, and maple syrup. Mix well and then pour the mixture into a jar or container. Let it sit in the refrigerator overnight and voila, you have a nutritious breakfast ready to go. For a grab-and-go convenience, these oats are perfect for those busy mornings when you don't have time for a sit-down breakfast. Plus, they're customizable to your liking. Add nuts, seeds, or fruit for extra flavor and nutrients. These overnight oats are a great way to start your day and keep your energy levels steady until lunchtime. Moving on to lunch, let's prepare some mason jar salads. These salads are not only visually appealing, but also super nutritious and convenient. Start by adding a layer of dressing at the bottom of the jar. Then add chopped vegetables such as carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers. Follow by adding a scoop of quinoa or another grain, followed by your favorite protein like grilled chicken or chickpeas. Finally, top it off with fresh herbs and a squeeze of lemon juice. Give it a good stir and your salad is ready to go. Mason jar salads are perfect for a quick and healthy lunch option. They're portable, so you can take them to work or on a picnic. Plus, they're a great way to pack a lot of nutrients into one meal. Just give it a shake before serving and enjoy. All right. Now let's move on to dinner. To save time during the week, we're going to prepare some sheet pan chicken fajitas. This recipe is simple, flavorful, and requires minimal prep work. Start by cutting up bell peppers, onions, and your choice of protein, then spread them out on a baking sheet. Drizzle olive oil, lime juice, and chili powder over the top, and season with salt and pepper. Roast it in the oven, and you've got yourself a quick and healthy dinner option. Sheet pan chicken fajitas are perfect for a weeknight meal. They're easy to clean up and can be served with your favorite toppings such as guacamole, salsa, and Greek yogurt. To round out our meal prep, we're going to make some hard-boiled eggs and sweet potato fries. Hard-boiled eggs are a great source of protein and healthy fats in sweet potato. Fries are a delicious and nutritious alternative to regular potato fries. Start by boiling eggs for 12 minutes. Then peel and cut them into halves or quarters. As for the sweet potato fries, simply cut sweet potatoes into fry shapes. Toss them with olive oil, salt, and pepper, and bake them in the oven. Hard-boiled eggs can be enjoyed as a snack or added to salads or sandwiches for extra protein. Sweet potato fries are a healthier alternative to regular fries and are perfect as a side dish or a snack. So there you have it, 5 healthy and delicious recipes that are perfect for a week of meal prepping. We've covered breakfast, lunch, and dinner with options that are packed with nutrients, easy to prepare and convenient to store. Now it's time to put these recipes to the test. Grab your calendar and block out some time to meal prep. Invite your friends or family to join you and make it a fun and social activity. Share your progress and tips on social media using our hashtag and get inspired by others in the community. Remember, meal prepping doesn't have to be a chore. With the right recipes and mindset, it can be a fun and rewarding experience. So get creative, enjoy the process, and savor the delicious healthy meals you'll have ready to go all week long. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more nutrition tips and recipes. Wishing you happy meal prepping and a wonderful week ahead. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.